was sent out, and I can guide you, the Honorable Mudavadi. The first document is compliance with tax obligations from KRA. The second document is clearance with Higher Education Loans Board, that you don't owe the public any money in that institution. The third document is clearance with the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, ESCC. The fourth document is Certificate of Good Conduct. You've given them?
Yes, I've given her.
Okay.
She says she'll...
A fifth is a question to you. Have you ever been charged and convicted in a court of law for a criminal offense?
No, Mr. Speaker.
Third, have you ever been adversely mentioned in an investigative report of a parliamentary committee or commission, and if yes, do you have any details?
To the best of my knowledge, nothing in the last few years.
Are you a dual citizen of Kenya and any other country?
No, I'm a Kenyan citizen.
Okay.